This is a 1953 old Super 88 two-door sedan. This is the mid-level line here in Oldsmobile. It starts out with the 88, then the Super 88, and then the 98. The 88 has a 303 cubic inch engine, 165 horsepower. Very nice green color. The interior has been redone, beautifully redone, may I add. Looks very comfortable. Car has Hydromatic and power brakes and steering, I'm sure. Notice how the instrument panel is balanced with the speedometer on one side and the speaker and clock on the other side. And we'll look around the back, and just in case you weren't sure about it having a rocket engine, well, there's the rocket. That was a big symbol back in Oldsmobile for Oldsmobile, is the Rocket 88. Notice the huge bumperettes back here. Help protect those big bumpers. And that Super 88 had a little bit of extra chrome, including that slash in the rear quarter. Beautiful car.